Hello students, let us start with part 2 of chapter 13. We have done few work for IUPAC system related to alkanes, types of alkanes, alicyclic, benzenoid and structures of benzenes, orthometa para related something discussion. It was done in part 1. Now let us start with second part. Methods of preparation of alkanes. Number 1. From unsaturated hydrocarbons. The process of addition of hydrogen to an unsaturated compound in presence of a catalyst is called hydrogenation or reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Alkenes and alkynes add 1 and 2 molecules of hydrogen in presence of a catalyst such as nickel, platinum, palladium to form alkanes. With ordinary nickel, relatively higher temperature are required. This hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons using ordinary nickel at a temperature of about 523 to 573 Kelvin is commonly known as Sabatier and Sanderson reaction. Next is from alkyl halides. Let us start its first part through Grignard reagent. Alkyl halide, especially bromide and iodide, react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ethoxyethane to form alkyl magnesium halides. These are commonly known as Grignard's reagent. Rx plus Mg. Rx means alkyl halide, Mg means magnesium metal. Then it gives RMgX. This R, now this magnesium, let us put value of R. If it is eth, CH3, CH2Br, ethyl bromide plus magnesium, then it will give CH3, CH2, MgBr, ethyl magnesium bromide. Wood's reaction. This reaction is very much important. It is in class 12th also, and there are lots of conversions related to Wood's reaction, and 2 or 3 questions are also based upon concept related to Wood's reaction in back exercise also of NCERT. Wood's reaction. When an alkyl halide is treated with metallic sodium in presence of dry diethyl ether, it may be called as dry ether also. A symmetrical alkane containing double the number of carbon atoms present in alkyl group is formed. This reaction is called Wood's reaction. Rx plus 2Na plus Rx can be written as XR, so that it will be helpful in showing of bond formation of carbon-carbon in alkanes. RR plus 2NaX. Put value of R as CH3 and put value of X as Br. It will be CH3Br plus 2Na plus BrCH3. Naturally it will give what? Ethane. CH3CH3. This is ethane and 2NaBr. You can also use this reaction with I. Let us start with this. Wood's reaction is a convenient method for the preparation of symmetrical alkanes. That is, alkanes containing even number of carbon atoms. This is also one of the important question in NCERT back exercise. If two different alkyl halides are used to prepare an alkane with odd number of carbon atoms, a mixture of 3 alkane is actually produced. This is due to the reason that the two alkyl halides, in addition to reacting with each other, also react among themselves, giving a mixture of 3 alkenes. Let us start with taking X as I. Ido group CH3I plus 2Na plus ICH2CH3. We are taking two different alkyl halides. Answer will be CH3CH2CH3. You will get propane. If you add with two same alkyl halides, that is CH3I plus 2NaI plus 2Na plus ICH3. It will give CH3 and 2NaI. Similarly with CH3, CH2I and 2NaI and ICH2CH3, there will be simply add up of carbon atoms. It will be CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 and 2NaI. Now reduction of alkyl halides. Alkanes can also be prepared by the reduction of alkyl halides, especially bromides and iodides. Number 1. Reduction by dissolving metals such as zinc and acetic acid or HCl, zinc and sodium hydroxide or zinc copper couple and alcohol. Let us start with this RX. It gives RH plus HX, CH3Cl plus zinc plus H positive. This H positive means acid. This will give CH4 and zinc ion and chloride ion. Similarly with CH3, CH2Cl and zinc and H positive, it will give CH3 and zinc plus 2 ion and chloride ion. Next reaction is CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH3 and twice of zinc and H positive. It will give 2 moles of CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 and ZnBr2. With zinc and an acid or with zinc copper couple and ethyl alcohol, reduction occur by transfer of electrons and not by nascent hydrogen, as was taken in the second reaction on this page. Zinc, it gives zinc plus 2 and 2 electron. If you are using alkyl halide, Rx plus electron, it will give R free radical and X negative. This R free radical then combine with electron and takes it negative charge. Next is reduction by chemical reagents such as lithium aluminium hydride, sodium borohydride, triphenyl stannous hydride. It will again H negative and Rx. It will give RH plus X negative. Primary and secondary alkyl halides are readily reduced to alkanes by lithium aluminium hydride, but tertiary alkyl halides mainly undergo dehydrohalogenation to form alkanes. Now, sodium borohydride reduces secondary and tertiary alkyl halides but not primary, whereas triphenyl tin hydride, that is PH3SNH, reduces all the 3 types of alkyl halides. The order of reactivity decreases in the order primary, secondary and tertiary. Third one is catalytic hydrogenation, implies cleavage of a sigma bond with dihydrogen in presence of a catalyst. The best catalyst is palladium and carbon, but nickel has also been effective provided it is used in large excess. It will be CH3, CH2, Br and H2. Then it will give CH3 and HBr. Fourth one, reduction with hydrogen iodide and red phosphorus. Alkyl halides are readily reduced to the corresponding alkanes by heating with concentrated hydrogen iodide in presence of red phosphorus at 423 Kelvin. For example, CH3, CH2I plus HI, it gives CH3 and I2. The purpose of red phosphorus is to remove the iodine liberated in the reaction, otherwise it will decrease the rate of reaction. Third one is from carboxylic acids. Alkanes can be prepared from carboxylic acids by the following 2 methods. Number 1, decarboxylation. Number 2, Kolb's electrolytic method. Decarboxylation. The process of removal of molecules of carbon dioxide from inorganic compound is called decarboxylation. When a carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime, At about 630 Kelvin, a molecule of carbon dioxide is lost and an alkene with one carbon atom less than carboxylic acid is formed. Here are the steps of the reaction. Whenever you deal with the carboxylic acid RCOOH and NaOH, it gives RCOONa and water. This RCOONa react with NaOH, then it gives RH and Na2CO3. This can be taken by this can be understood by taking example of acetic acid also. Columns electrolytic method. When a concentrated aqueous solution of the sodium or potassium salt of monocarboxylic acid is electrolyzed, an alkane is produced. Twice of sodium carboxylate when react with water, there is chain of alkanes RR and 2 sodium hydroxide and dihydrogen and carbon dioxide. If n is number of carbon atom in the salt of carboxylic acid, the alkane formed has 2n-1 carbon atoms. If n is number of carbon atom in the alkyl group, the alkane formed has 2n carbon atoms. The reaction is shown to you as it is a electrolysis reaction. So at anode, this acetate ion will lose 2 electrons to give carbon dioxide and alkane. At cathode, 2H will gain 2 electrons to give H2. So thank you so much.